Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 8. In the previous classes we have completely done our exercise 2.4 of chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, and today we are going to start with exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, the questions of exercise 2.5 are very much easier as you have already done the statement type of question in exercise 2.4, and you in 2.4 we have made the equations after understanding the statement given in exercise 2.4 question, and here the equations is already being made and we have to just solve the equation, and it will be very easy. So see, the first part of exercise 2.5 is solve x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 plus is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So this can be done if you will bring all the x terms together. Collect all this x term is on left side also and right side also. So all the x terms collect with denominator x upon 2 minus x upon 3, because here x is having, this term is having positive sign, and when we bring to the opposite side, left side, it will become negative, and minus 1 upon 5 will become positive. Clear? Okay, this step is clear or not? Yes. So now take the LCM, 2, 3 LCM and 4 and 5 LCM. 2 and 3 LCM will be 2, 3 the 6. 2, 3 the 6, so 3x. 3, 2 the 6, so 2x is equal to 4, 5 the 20. 5 plus 4. Okay, clear? 3 minus 2 is x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 upon 20. Now do the cross multiplication. 20x is equal to 9 6 the 54. So x is equal to 54 upon 20. 2 tens are 20, and then 2 2s are 4, 2 7 the 40. The value of x is equal to 27 upon 10. Clear? Now next part is second part B. Second question is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. So in this question what they are saying, n term, we have to find the value of variable n. So n term is already on one side, so just take the LCM. 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, and 2. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 the 4, 3 is 12. LCM will be equal to 12. So just take the LCM. 2 6 the 12, so 6n. 4 3 is 12, so 9n. 3 3 is 9n. 6 2 is 12, so 5 2 is 10n is equal to 21 upon. Clear this step? Next is 6n plus 10n is 6. Now just do the cross multiplication. 7n is equal to 12 ones are 12, 24. Value of n will be equal to 252 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. N is equal to 36 is the answer. Clear? Very easy. Now I hope rest of the parts you all can do. Now see, the next part is x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Now see, x is present on both the sides. Collect all the x terms. X minus 8x upon 3 minus 5x upon 2 will become plus 5x upon 2. Okay, 17 upon 6 will remain here, and this plus 7 will become minus 7. Okay, now take the LCM. 3 and 2 LCM will be 6. So 1 into 6 is 6, so 6x minus 3 to the 6 is, so 8 to the 16x plus 2 3 the 6, so 5 3 the 15x. Take care of the sign. Minus sign will become minus sign. Take minus sign, take plus sign as plus sign. Okay, don't confuse in between. 17 upon 6 minus 7 upon 1. Okay, so after that 6x minus 16x will be minus 10x plus 15x is 5x upon 6, and here when you take the LCM 6 again, so 17 into 1 minus 6 7 the 42. So 17 minus 42 will be 42 minus 7 will be, I think, 25. Okay, so it will be 25 upon 6. So 5x upon 6 is equal to 25 upon 6. 6 will get cancelled. Then x is equal to 25 upon 5, that is 5. Value of x is 5. Clear? Now next is fourth part is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. So in the beginning take the cross multiplication. 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. So 5x minus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 3x minus 3 3 is 9. Collect all the x terms together and numbers on the one side. 5x minus 3x is 2x, and this is the value of x will be 16 upon 2, that is 8. So x is equal to 8. Clear? Very easy na? Now next part is now see here, the fifth part is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. T is present on both the sides, so bring all the t on one side. So 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 minus t will become plus t upon 1 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now take the LCM. LCM of 1, 3 and 4 will be 12. 4 3s are 12. So 3t minus 2 into 3 minus 3 4s are 12. 4 into 2t plus 3 plus 12t is equal to 2 upon 3. So 3 3s are 9t and 3 2 the 6 minus 4 2s are 8t minus 4 3s are 12 plus 12t upon 12 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now 9t minus 8t is 1t plus 12t is 13t. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18 upon 12 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now do again the cross multiplication. 3 into 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 into 12. 12 2s are 24. 13 3s are 39t and 18 3s are 54. Okay, 39t is equal to 54 will go to this side and will get added. 24 plus 54 will become 78. Okay, so value of t will be 78 upon 39. So 39 ones are 39, 39 twos are 70. The value of t is equal to, answer is 2. Okay, clear? T is equal to 2 is the answer. Okay, very easy now. Now sixth part is, sixth question is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Again m is present on both the sides, so we have to find the value of variable m. So what we will do, we will take the LCM 2 and 3. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, so it will be 2m minus m minus 1. Okay, and here 3 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Okay, so what you will get here, 2m minus m is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 minus m upon. So here again cross multiplication. 3m minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 2m. 3 minus 2 is 5m is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. So value of m is equal to 5 upon 5, that is 1. So these are the 6 parts that we have done. I hope it is very easy and you have done these very easily. So next is 7, 8, 9 and 10 that you can do by your own, and we have done 6 questions very easily. So the rest 4 you can do very easily.